Solve. Negative 4/7 x equals negative 28. To isolate x, we're going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of negative 4/7, which is negative 7/4. And so on the left-hand side, we have negative 7/4 times negative 4/7 times x. And on the right-hand side, we have negative 7/4 times negative 28. Well, on the left-hand side, of course, we're multiplying a number times its reciprocal, and a number times its reciprocal is 1, so therefore, we have x on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, we're multiplying a negative number times a negative number, which is positive. We'll also note that we can divide 4 by itself, and it goes in once, and we can divide 28 by 4, and it goes in 7 times. So what we have is 7 times 7, which is 49. Therefore, the solution is 49.